Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig. Today I'm gonna be doing a May Mint Mongoose unboxing. I am not sure that it is still May when this video is going up or that it is May when you are seeing this video because I'm recording it on the last day of May and I actually have a lot to do today. The reason is this video was supposed to go up on Monday and we had problems with the mail because of the holiday, because of Memorial Day, that I didn't think about and I wasn't prepared for. So this video is going up late, but I am still putting it up. I am sorry about that. I am gonna get back to my every Monday. This was just a hiccup, so we'll be back there. Just a little hiccup. I had a lot going on with work and stuff, so the holiday's over. Let's get back on track. Talk about Mint Mongoose. For those of you that don't know, Mint Mongoose is a jewelry subscription box that costs $12 a month and they send you 3 pieces. If you use the code Katie in all capital letters, then you get it for $10. You tell them silver or gold and you tell them whether or not you want watches. Another little bright side, I guess, is every 3 months they send you a little surprise, like a thank you for sticking with them for another 3 months. So every 3 months you get an extra little bonus. So out of the package comes this little package, and it just has like this little stamp, and then it's just this white box with this ribbon that goes all the way around it. You just open it. I don't remember struggling that much last time. But you just open it and take your stuff out. There's a little candy in here. Ooh, I threw something out. Okay, so the 2 things that came out is this little caramel candy. I got one of these last time. I really like these, but I don't eat it on camera because I don't want to hear y'all complain about me eating on camera. And another thing that fell out is this little ring. It's just this simple, dainty gold ring that you could wear every day if you wanted. I think it's cute. Next we got a thank you, Mint Mongoose. Be sure to show your photos on Instagram. Do y'all want to see photos of this stuff on my Instagram? Because if you do, let me know. I'm really trying to build my Instagram. I'm losing my voice. I'm really trying to build my Instagram, but I don't know what to put on there. So I would really appreciate it if you guys would go follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Katie Shindig. And let me know what you want to see more of. And also, I do have some of you guys that send me messages on Instagram, and I really like talking to you. So we can do that too. We can talk on Instagram. But let's keep unboxing. Let's open this up. What could it be? Okay, the first thing that I see is a pair of earrings. Oh, these are a very pretty color. They just come in this package. This little paper says spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. And they also give you a discount code for receiving the box. So you can get a very good deal on their website. This is what they look like. I'm going to see if I can put them in my second hole to show you guys, because I have hoops in my first hole. Back of my ear obviously healed up. Does that happen to other people too? Those are the earrings. I actually think they're very nice. They go really well with my gold hoops, and then the blue is just like a pop of color. So I really like them. I think I'm going to wear them the rest of the day. Last but not least, we have one more item. I don't get it out. So for our last item, we have this long dangly arrow necklace with a blue piece like the earrings. And then it keeps going down and is dangly into another arrow. That is what the necklace looks like. I think that this whole set of jewelry was really cute and really affordable for $10. I think I'm going to wear it the rest of the day because my outfit doesn't have much color and this really gives me a pop of color. So I really like it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to try Mint Mongoose, please don't forget to use the code Katie in all capital letters to get a discount. I will have a link down below to the website. Comment down below and let me know anything that you guys would like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!